Tired of paying a fortune to create a video that looks professional? The deadline has knocked on your door, but you still don't know how to write your script? Desperate to get an effective VSL with a limited budget? You are not alone! Many businesses face similar problems. In this e-commerce era, everyone really needs a superb online marketing video. It helps marketers create markets, reach potential consumers, and increase sales conversions. A marketing video that looks sophisticated and has a persuasive script is even better because it will increase your conversions in a blast. An engaging video can increase conversions dramatically. Seeing is believing. A visual description speaks louder than words. Boost your sales by up to 500% through do-it-yourself market videos with effective, tried and true scripts and attractive video assets. But in today's fast-paced world, time is something that we never get enough of. Nobody is willing to sacrifice their precious time. Not me, and not you either. Why waste hours trying to create marketing videos that look professional if it can be done within minutes? Why spend time learning about copywriting if you could avoid all the fuss and hassle and get everything done for you for a few bucks? Why pay more for attractive video assets? If you could make your life a lot easier but still be able to create a viral video, why wouldn't you take that route? Nope, I am not talking about hiring professionals and breaking the bank. Save that money to invest in your business and develop further. Let me introduce VSL Ninja Pro. A breakthrough in video animation templates, includes scripts and thousands of assets. Now you can relax and save your money with our VSL Ninja Pro. You don't have to spend time thinking about creating catchy scripts for your marketing video. No more hiring expensive copywriters either. Now you can put your precious time and money to better use. You may already have tons of video templates or video software products that claim they can help you create a sophisticated video within minutes, in 3 simple clicks, or many of those other too good to be true taglines. But let's be realistic here. Do those videos really boost your conversions? All marketing gurus agree. Yes, a good video will surely attract leads and increase your number of prospective customers. Let me show you how attractive our video templates collections are. You can easily pick one of our persuasive VSL templates with PowerPoint and use it to create a promotional video, explainer video, or any marketing video you like. But what will seal the deal and boost your conversions? A good script. An effective, engaging, and proven script will almost immediately seal the deal. And our scripts are no fuss, no hassle. Everything is done for you. We all know that seeing is believing, so check out all of the scripts we've prepared for you. Wait, if a good video and a good script will only almost immediately seal the deal, what other key factors do you need to secure an immediate conversion? Visual attractiveness. Let's be honest here. Nobody will watch a boring marketing video. Nobody. That's why you need enough video assets to create an attractive sales video. But where do you find attractive video assets? No worries. Thousands of video assets have been prepared for the VSL Ninja Pro package. And, again, you don't have to pay extra money or spend extra time to get these attractive video assets. VSL Ninja Slideshow Templates. Insert these slideshow templates to increase engagement with your video. They make your video look much more informative and professional. VSL Ninja Explainer Templates. You can easily pick one of our persuasive VSL templates and use it to create a promotional video, an explainer video, or any marketing video you like. Modern animated character. MOV, GIF, SWF, SFG, PNG. Forget about hiring expensive professional animators. More than 400 variations of animated characters for any video explainer niche have been provided for you. Simple titles and lower third templates. This is done for you with lower third templates that will add a dash of beauty and elegance to your video's text, all without any extra cost. Transition video assets. Save your precious time. We have prepared sophisticated transition packs for your video, and they are compatible with any video editor you already own. Animated background loop. Dynamic moving backgrounds with professional and elegant styles to present your brand. Vector backgrounds. Our all-in-one colorful backgrounds will instantly give your video a touch of art. Receive all of our explainer backgrounds for free. No extra charge. Gradients Background Pack. Ready to use phenomenal tone gradient backgrounds that can be easily applied in any animated video. Compatible with any video application and supports various video formats. All you can have for free. And not just that, we have more. We know you want more. We will give you more. Yes, we have additional bonuses for you. Ebook and Kindle cover bundle. Funnel Clips video pack. Funnel Marketing 101. Once you apply some of the assets from this collection to your video and combine them with catchy, effective, and proven scripts, your conversions will increase by 500% immediately, in real time. Creating an effective business video has never been easier than this. It's literally as easy as 1, 2, 3. So, why wait? Grab your VSL Ninja Pro package now. All you need to do is click the button below. Our early bird discount and bonuses are waiting and will expire within a couple of hours. Grab it fast. The discounted price will never be offered again.